Hello to all. Thanks so much for joining me. I want to show you this beautiful home. It's a gorgeous day in Florida, and it's a home. We'll put the address in the on the description. So welcome home, 4909. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. As you walk into the house, you have to the left a little coat closet, and to your right this huge living room area. So you walk to the left side, a hall, and you have bedroom number 3. Good sized bedrooms. The roof is only 5 years old. Then to the right you have the bathroom number 2, has been completely upgraded. And the bedroom number 2, good sized bedrooms. This one has double closets. And to your right you get the master bedroom. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, one over here that I kept open for that purpose to show you all. And then let me go a different view. The other one is over there. And you have the master bathroom with a shower and the door that goes to the kitchen and laundry room, but you can close this if you decide to, or you can leave it open. There you go, another view of the master bathroom. So let's walk back this way. Then we got people coming for the open house, so I'm gonna do this video in 2 parts.